Hi ladies, welcome to your second Delta Math assignment. You all did a really fantastic job on your first one. So some things that you're going to see in your next Delta Math, we're going to go through adding positive and negative integers. So the way that they ask it here is on a timer. Now, I don't really like it, so you can really just ignore the timer and just take your time and answer these to the best of your ability. So like -6 plus 8, well, when you add and subtract negative numbers, you take 8 minus 6, and then you use the sign of the larger number. So 8 minus 6 is 2, and 8's bigger, so it's going to be a positive 2. And then it's going to give you a new problem. So 3 plus minus 4. Well, minus 4 is the bigger number, so 4 minus 3 is 1, but because 4 is bigger, it's going to be minus 1. And that's how you do those. Okay. Good luck, ladies, and I'll see you in class.